Let us now do question number 1, part B. This question is addressing itself in the parametric equations. We have been given two parametric equations, that is x is equal to tan theta and y is equal to 2 sec squared theta minus 1. That is these two parametric equations. We are required to combine these two parametric equations into one equation which is expressed in terms of x and y, and we will do that by removing the parameter. In these two equations, the parameter is theta. That is, theta is the parameter. Now, to do that, we need to first of all remember that sine squared theta, if you add to cos squared theta, you get 1. And if we divide this trigonometric identity throughout by cos squared theta, that is sine squared theta, you divide by cos squared theta plus cos squared theta over cos squared theta is equal to 1 over cos squared theta. What we get now is first cos squared theta will cancel with cos squared theta, and again also remember that 1 over cos squared theta is sec squared theta, and also sine squared theta over cos squared theta is same as tan squared theta. Therefore, that identity will now reduce to tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to sec squared theta, because 1 over cos squared theta is same as sec squared theta. Therefore, we have been able to express sec squared theta as same as 10 tan squared theta plus 1. Let us now go to our parametric equation, and our parametric equations are x is equal to tan theta, the other one is y is equal to 2 sec squared theta minus 1. We want to combine these two parametric equations into one equation whose variables are x and y, and therefore we will eliminate the parameter which is our theta. So what we shall do is that this equation which is y is equal to this equation y is equal to 2 sec squared theta minus 1, where we have sec squared theta minus 1, we will replace with tan squared theta plus 1. Therefore, the equation becomes y is equal to 2. We replace sec squared theta with tan squared theta plus 1, then minus 1. Therefore, it becomes y is equal to 2 tan squared theta plus 2 minus 1, which now becomes y is equal to 2 tan squared theta plus 1. Now that far we have reached, we need to remember that x in the other equation, this one, is equal to tan theta, meaning that if we square both sides, we find that x squared is equal to tan squared theta. So we go to this other equation, this one, we replace tan squared theta with x squared. So therefore the equation becomes y is equal to 2. Instead of tan squared theta, we put x squared theta. So it becomes here x squared then plus 1, and sequel equation with the two our variables becomes y is equal to 2x squared plus 1. And finally, we have been able to combine the two parametric equations into one, and we have removed the parameter theta.